Hey there cuties, this is Kanishka and today I'm going to be taking you guys through my 3-step lip care routine that always leaves me with the prettiest pout. You're probably wondering, a 3-step routine for your lips? But did you know the skin of your lips is much more thinner and delicate than that of your face? And you know how much we take care of our face, right? So without further ado, let's get into it. The first and most important step is exfoliation to get rid of the dead skin cells. I like to go in with a fine sugar scrub at least 2 or 3 times a week. I apply a liberal amount of this scrub and gently buff away with my fingers in a circular motion like so. Then I leave it on for a minute or 2 and gently wipe it off with a cotton pad. When using a lip scrub, make sure to always use gentle motions to avoid causing micro tears. And just like that, I bid goodbye to crusty and chapped lips. The second step is to hydrate and then hydrate again. Okay, what I mean by that is to have a sip of water to dampen your lips and then go in with hyaluronic acid. This not only helps to hydrate your lips but also plumps them, as you can see. So if you're a skincare nerd like me, you know that hyaluronic acid needs to be sealed in with a moisturizer for it to work effectively. So naturally, the next step is to use a rich lip balm. My favorite is Candy Melt's Red Velvet Lip Balm. This is a plant-based lip balm which is super nourishing and super hydrating for my lips. Heads up though, these yummy flavors might make you drool. So before I go, I want to leave you guys with 2 tips. Firstly, do not pick at your lips. This will only lead to them bleeding and bruising. I know it is a difficult habit to kick, but you have to, trust me. Secondly, avoid smacking or licking your lips. This only makes your lips drier. I know it provides a temporary relief, but instead keep a lip balm handy and apply as and when you need it. So that's all for today guys. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe for more videos like this, and tell us in the comments what more do you guys want to see from us.